5 News, this reporter had something coming his way.
All right, so I've got my trusty stopwatch, and here they come down the hill. It looks like Ruben is in the lead, and here comes Al. And this... Oh, jeez. That was a bad idea. At Riverside Park, Rob Leth, Global News.
Melania Trump was seen refusing to hold Donald Trump's hand when he offered it. A kid drops a brand new iPhone right out of the box in front of everyone.
Okay, all right, we're doing the reveal. His name's Jack.
Whoa! Oh, good.
I think it's okay. All right, so hold.
This television host tried her best to cook on live TV while the food lit on fire.
Jag skojar.
Nej men gud! Nej, fan! Jag har inte sagt sådär! Du kommer att brandlarmet kommer ju börja gå. Nej men gud! Det här är ju farligt. Så, nu...
While they had a guest come over on The View, Whoopi Goldberg accidentally farted on live TV.
And I think it explores that in a really smart way.
Well, you know, I was going to say...
Yeah. You're so polite. Oh, excuse me. So differential. I think I just blew a little frog out of there.
One of the athletes running tripped on the hurdle and face plants onto the ground.
Just having a look at the replay there in the center of the picture, almost going over the hurdle in the next lane. It's a good job she didn't hit one. All this, a very, very bad fall from Vesterland. And that's very unfortunate, really. And that's in fact is the Swede. It's Vesterland. Yeah, it was Vesterland of Sweden. She really went down heavily there, clipped that hurdle, and then couldn't.
Ryan Seacrest falls backwards from his chair after trying to catch a balloon.
Jasmine Gould from Buffalo, New York. Oh my God! Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh my gosh! He's fine.
I got it! You know...
I want you to know something. Your leg is badly hurt. You
No, I feel great, actually.
No, I know. The adrenaline is coursing through you, but I saw your leg get...
No,
your
my
leg
leg
did
is...
something very strange.
What leg?
The meteorologist to the right forgot that he had still left the hanger still inside his blazer.
Yeah, cool down.
Yeah, we've got it. The chill is letting up, but the chill is not completely gone.
No.
Chill, I'm sorry.
And the chill has got a kink in your neck, huh?
You gotta...
I got never mind. Forget it. I thought it was just the tight button, but never mind. Can we just go to the weather and get it over? Never mind. Okay, here we have a few clouds.
This interview in South Africa, the guy being interviewed, his chair was slowly starting to break until it completely gave up.
Is that a place and a point for them to raise that, or is it a done deal by the time Trevor Manuel?
It's actually an opportunity for members of parliament to actually digest and go through the documentation that is going to be presented to the public. And the opportunity for proper engagement is actually after the tabling of the...
Reporter gets his pants pulled down from someone in the background.
Square, Washington Square Park, and Pulitzer Fountain to watch as people protest.
Thank you very much, Zach. So... Now, we don't have any announcement. What we missed there was a story we were supposed to air.
One of the council members went to the bathroom with his mic still being on him, while everyone in the room heard just a little too much.
Can do about it, and what we can do is call on governmental representatives that are higher up the chain of command. And ask for action at the federal level. So for us to just say it within the city limits would be an empty gesture. So, and also these diseases don't know any boundaries. So a state-by-state approach would just mean that
A random guy was seen take a huge tumble when the news camera was panning out.
30 or 40 street entertainers, or buskers if you want to call them that. We have Cam here playing the keyboard, and just over my shoulder, something I've never seen before, an opera singer. He's busking, and lots of people going by and dropping money in his cup there. Also, I want to mention that the organizers that organized this busker crawl, they actually asked all the businesses to make sure it was okay for these buskers to be in front of their stores. The only one that actually didn't really want it.
If you want to win an iPhone 11, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications to be entered in the giveaway. Then just simply comment saying that you did. This singer had a wardrobe malfunction while she was performing. During a cooking segment on The Ellen Show, the food turned out kind of hard to bite into, and they couldn't stop laughing.
Look, it could be like a little happy face.
Ellen's eating it again.
Oh my God. I'm gonna fix it. Look. There. There, it's all fixed.
That sure is good.
It's a little tough.
Nicole has been sitting there for like 5 hours. I hate doing these things for that reason.
I know you're not meant to criticize, but it's a little tough.
The TV presenter in red was having a hard time trying to keep her dress in place from blowing in the wind.
It's Chris Hoy!
You've got so many medals. Oh my word.
That's one way to welcome them.
Down and your skirts down. Good. Sarah, you...
Watch as Tom Holland, the Spider-Man actor, break his chair in the middle of an interview.
It was going all to hell. And we had shot the medium, or I think I shot the close-ups, and I was going to go back for a medium close-up.
I'll be here all week. Thank you. I'll just stand, shall I?
On QVC, this host breaks the ring while trying to measure it and tries her best to cover it up.
Of elongated Sleeping Beauty turquoise. Now let me share with you. I mean, it's about half an inch. Oh, good night. Well, that one just came off, so that's not good. We're gonna put that one aside. Love live TV and get a new one. Well, clearly that wasn't supposed to happen.
The building in front was about to be demolished, and the cameraman was ready until a bus came and blocked the view. While interviewing this man, the reporter was a little too late to go to the bathroom, so she just did it in her pants.
Jarenlang op de Nederlandse televisie te zien is het programma van Peter R. de Vries. Ja. Dat is natuurlijk een beetje concurrent van me, maar ja, op zich...
Oh shit.
Ja?
Oh, jongens.
Nou.
Ik heb een ongelukje. Ik ben... Fuck.
Nou, waardeloos zeg.